Whoa! Well, today's episode is brought to you by how to attempt a wheelie on a dirt bike. I wouldn't take lessons from me. I'm not very good. There's a couple different factors that you need. One's the clutch, right there. And the other major factor is your brake, foot brake. Pretty simple gig, really. It's actually all foot brake. 450X. With the flat track wheels and tires, so. But yeah, that's what it is, the wheelie. So all I can say is start slow and just slip the clutch, grab it with the brake, just pop little ones, and then slowly bring them back to balance point. Balance point is like, every bike is different, but you'll figure it out. It's where it's not going back and not going forward. Lugging. She's very luggy. So basically, when you're doing a wheelie, and I do not try any of this at home, you guys, I'm not showing you how to do this. You're on your own. Sorry. This is just what I do. So really what you need to do is actually use one finger is what I like to do. I use two on this one, but so I can still grip the bar. And then your foot brake. So you slip the clutch, you give it a little gas, right? Little gas. You slip the clutch at the same time, and then when you're up, you catch it. So how you control a wheelie is just all foot brake down there. That's all you got to do. It's super easy. But once you're up there, it becomes muscle memory, and you just catch it with your foot brake. It's super easy to do. It's scary at first because you feel like you're gonna tip over, but it's pretty easy. Oh my God. See, this is a stock sprocket on this thing, so it makes it a little harder to do because it gets real luggy at the low RPMs. It's easier when you're moving a little faster, honestly. I'm trying to like slow it down like a stunt bike, but when your sprocket's so small, you can only move so slow, basically. So you slip the clutch, catch it with the brake. Easy. See, also the other thing too, like that bike, that sport bike, the tire is wider, so the skinnier the tire you have, the more what do you want to call it, wobbly, less stable it is, basically. But yeah, so this one drifts all over. Alright, you guys, that's it for how to wheelie. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's super easy to do. You just gotta have the kahunas to try it. So I don't recommend doing power wheelies. I just think they're honestly kind of garbage. They're not as controlled. They're actually, in my opinion, way more dangerous. So you just gotta slip the clutch right here, slip it a little bit, little gas at the same time, catch it with your foot brake. That's it. You can do it 6 inches off the ground or 2 feet, whatever you guys want to practice. Go down to Mexico, practice away. Like where I was practicing on a closed course. YouTube, it was a closed course. Thank you very much. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will catch up with you guys on the next video. All right, peace.